Alright, I'm doing a version of chicken Savoy with seasoned rice vinegar. Rice wine vinegar. We're not going to go full on that at the time. Now we got some ground oregano. A little bit more. Now we went out and got some white pepper just for this. Reason why is this is not a dark sauce, it's a light sauce. And you're going to see all the spots. The thyme's going to be very thick. The fact that we're using ground oregano and white pepper is to hide the ingredients. It's the first time in my life I am cooking with white pepper. Alright, now we're also going to add a little bit of the Szechuan pepper. I'd say that was about half a tablespoon. Well, you smell that immediately. Alright, and you know the rule of thumb with chicken Savoy, you can never have too much garlic. Oops, hit the table. Stretch is rolling over in his grave right now. What? What are you doing? No red wine vinegar. Alright. I got one more batch of garlic in there. I'll just pour the vinegar directly into there to get it out the next time I need it. I want extra garlic in this. Alright, we want rice wine vinegar. Alright, while it's at that height, I'm going to take the hand blender and mix all those ingredients up. That's a nice sauce. Give it a little taste. Nice. Definitely going to enjoy that. And then you want to take the rest of the rice wine vinegar. Put a lid on it. And shake it up. You can use this immediately. I like to leave it in the fridge overnight. Let everything, commingle. Let them get used to each other. Hey, we're all friends now. We're about to make something amazing. So, that's up to you. Doesn't look very tasty, does it? Trust me, I just tasted it. It is tasty. Love it.